Oh yeah, they look so delicious. Wow, look at all these delicious juicy eggs. I really want to eat them right now. Maybe Christian has some in the kitchen. I'm gonna go there. What the? Who are you and what are you doing here? Oh, Christian, didn't expect you to show up, my favorite YouTuber. Let me introduce myself. I'm Miss Dan's assistant. You know, the type of person who helps you with your YouTube videos and all. I did see you in the garage once. So what are you doing in my room? Oh, that's because I have something for you to eat for a video. Huh? Uh-huh. This is what I was looking for. Here, take it. Thanks. I guess I shouldn't argue much since I have something to support my channel, so let's go inside and try it. Whew, that was a close one. Now, where was I? Oh, yeah. Hello, everyone. Today I'm going to be eating a Valentine's donut, so let's open this baby up. There it is. Take the Labubu off. Is this even edible? No, it's not edible. Ooh, I could try it with Hershey's Kisses. That's already melted. No. Give me a minute. Alright, here we go. Let's try it. Man, I haven't had white donuts in a while. This tastes really good. I give it like a 9 out of 10.